Hello, thanks for joining me again for another demonstration video for the Smile Create Repeat art supply subscription box. In one video we made this Christmas card using these supplies from December 2020, but we have a bunch of stuff in there, so I'm going to make another one where we're going to use this black paper, draw something on it with these gel pens and this white pastel pen, and then you would just attach it there. I'm going to show you the drawing part with the different colors, and then you just glue it on. But so the pastel pen, this isn't like a gel pen where it's solid white. If you can see here, it's transparent so you can layer it. So this is one coat I did. This is 2, 3, 4, and then this is I think 6 or so. So you can really use that to your advantage to determine how light you want it. And it's kind of neat. So I have my black watercolor paper. I already drew on it with my pencil, and now I'm just going to go in. These are the colors I have, so that's what I'm using. So this is a Jelly Roll blue, and I'm just going to start off by writing. And it's nice because the Jelly Roll pens work really great on the dark paper, of course, which is why we included them. So that is with the one color. And now I'm going to have some branches of leaves coming down, and I think I'm going to try to draw them so there's different sizes. These are pine needles, not branches. And then I'm going to overlap them or go over them after they dried to make some more bold and some well, less bold, more transparent. And you can't see it here, but I'm leaving space because I have some berries that I'm going to be putting in there. And now I'm kind of deciding, do I want to just do lines? And I think I do. Maybe then after I can add some more and make them some fatter, some thinner. And I'm going to have the branch, the stem, but as I'm doing this I'll have to think about how I'm going to do that. And I'm trying to keep in mind that they're growing out from it and they're coming in all different angles. So I think I'm going to leave that for now, and we're going to let that dry a little bit, and then I think we're going to go back over it, and maybe I should have left some more space in between, but we're going to see how it looks. So I have this, this is a Copic Spica gel pen, and it's sparkly pink. And this is going to be real subtle, but it's going to be neat. So I have this, so just so it's going to be, you're not really going to see them too well. I'll show you, I'll get closer and show you to the camera in a minute, but this is going to be just like a neat sparkle effect. I don't know if any of you have done any print design, but if you look at some like covers of books, how some parts are shiny, that's the UV coating on certain parts, a spot varnish. That's kind of what this is looking like. All right, let's see if I can show you if you can see that sparkle on there. It's interesting. And I'm going to show you also. I'm going to draw one of them right over here, and I'm going to put white down first to see two of them here. Actually, I'm going to put little ones over here too, so we can have the difference. Maybe they're different berries. Let's see what it looks like. Having the berry, having this pink marker on this white ink. We got to let that dry though. All right, we're going to go back over here. And with all these things, you sometimes have to go, ooh, look at that. You sometimes have to go over it. See, now here's the trick here, is you don't want to do all of them where they all get more white. So I have to, and maybe just half of them, or half of the needle, or maybe it's the tip. because the part closer is going to be darker because there's more needles there. But I think if I just keep doing this, I think it's going to look the way I'm hoping it does. Well, I guess that's obvious. If I didn't think it was going to look that way, I probably wouldn't be doing it. And I'm going quick because I have fairly good control over what I'm trying to... Whoops! I'm just kidding. Good control of what I'm doing. But I didn't always go fast. And it's not about going fast. It's about doing a good job. So please don't try to keep up if that makes your work not the best it could be or as good as you want it. It's not a race. I do have a problem. I have to tell myself that a lot. All right. So I think I'm going to go over the pink again with this just to see if it does anything different. It does not. That just adds the sparkle. So now I'm going to add this to the white, and that is a cool look. It's certainly having the pink under that, the white under the pink shows up much better. So you have the sparkle and the pink sparkle, so it's really neat. And I think I'm going to go in with the blue and just beef up some of the holiday. And I think I'm going to add in the stem with the blue. So where are we? We're up here, and I'm going to do it, and it's going to break up because some of it is behind some of the other stuff, right? Some of the needles are in front of the stem, blocking so you can't see it. And these berries are coming out of there, and then these, of course. Okay, and then I think I'm going to go over the white. I'm going to go over the Happy Holiday, and then because we're going to let the blue that we just did here dry, and we'll make this a little fatter, just so it's a little more bold. And then more bold, and also so it's not just all the same weight. So maybe this part's wider over here. We'll dot that to give it more of a calligraphy kind of feel. And then this big swoosh. I think we have an opportunity to add some color to that part. All right, so that looks good. We're going to see if the blue lines are dry, and we're just going to go in and add more of this white to see if we can see what we get. And then I'm just going to go over the pink one more time. Actually, let me try going over the pink with the white, just on a couple of them. So we have variety, and then I'm going to go over with this again to see if it does anything else. And then see if those have dried. Yep, and those do show, so there you go. There's another card, and that'll look nice right on there. So hopefully I don't need to say it, but happy holidays. I hope you enjoyed doing this demo for an idea for a Christmas card or a happy holiday card. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And there's still time. Check out our website, Smile, Create, Repeat, for we have some great Christmas specials going on now. So again, thank you so much. Have a great month, and remember to smile, create, repeat.